in Kansas anymore.
Yeah. I'm distinguished now.
But they are who we thought they were, and we let them off the hook.
Yeah, what do you want from me? I'm answering the question. You're on a freaking talk show.
Okay.
I like that. Boss!
Yeah.
What does the host want?
Haven't I told you enough?
That is blasphemous. That is blasphemous. How dare you? How dare you say such a thing?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Finding Asheville podcast with Nathan Miller. If you would like more info on our schedule of upcoming shows, which will be available for download every Monday, or how to reach Nathan through Twitter, Facebook, or email, then go to findingasheville.com. After you finish the podcast, please take a moment to subscribe to it. Leave a comment and rate it, even if you think it smells worse than patchouli. Thank you for your support and enjoy the show. Now, your Finding Asheville host, Nathan Miller.